Okay, so before we start this episode of Gav Details, I'd like to say thank you to all over 500 subscribers up to this point, almost 600. It's pretty crazy to think that people are watching me talk about cleaning cars. So with that being said, it's been a while since we've done a video. A lot of routine maintenance on a variety of vehicles lately, nothing video worthy, but today we are going to be trying the Griot's Garage foaming surface wash. We're going to be trying it on my GMC Sierra. The truck was coated with CarPro Sequartz UK 3.0 3 or 4 weeks ago. It's had 2 maintenance washes with CarPro Reload, and I really would like to try this foaming surface wash to see how it can knock down any type of heavy contamination after, you know, a week of driving. Yesterday we actually even had some snow here in the Midwest. Thankfully it didn't stick and they didn't have to salt the streets, but a lot of leaves were blowing around and the truck is pretty dirty since it sits outside. So the foaming surface wash gently lifts and releases contaminants, maintaining a best of show finish. It is safe for all waxes, sealants, and coatings. Dual layer foam formula extends dwell time and enhances cleaning action. So we're going to be using it with the Ryobi electric pressure washer, 1600 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute, and the modified MATCC Amazon foam cannon. So I'll go ahead and walk around the truck and just kind of try to show any of the dirt. There are some leaves that are stuck to it because it was really windy yesterday. It is only about 45 degrees outside and we are going to be working in the shade. So all things considered, let's see how it does. Okay, so I'm going to try and show some of the dirt on the truck just from it being really windy yesterday with thick, heavy snowflakes. You can see here, and that's stuck to the paint here. Just broken pieces of leaves. You can hopefully see here. It's, dirty water spots. If anybody is on the bench about a ceramic coating, you can see here I rinsed a little bit and it beads right up, especially on the trim here. I used CarPro Deluxe, and only the bottom of the door really shows a lot of the dirt, and you can see that it's very tight, small beads of dirt because ceramic coating pretty much keeps it clean. Here you can see more, especially along the window track here, just a bunch of dust and debris and broken leaves and stuff all over the truck. So a quick rinse in one spot before we try the foaming wash. So that would be a rinse on a dirty panel that has been recently ceramic coated. You can see here on the mirror. CarPro Deluxe. It still looks like brand new plastic, like it was freshly dressed, but it's dry to the touch. And we will grab our foam cannon. So 2 ounces of the Griot's Garage foaming surface wash in about 22 to 24 ounces of warm water. the foam does go on relatively thick. They say you can let it dwell anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and coat the rest of the truck and see how much runoff we have after about 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. You can see here on the first side, you know, maybe 35 to 40% left on the panels, more so left on the hood because it's rather horizontal. Second side, about the same. I did go ahead and clean the running boards in the very lower part of the rocker panel with a separate mitt. And you can definitely tell there is a high level of lubrication in the soap, even on, you know, a plastic covering like what is on the side steps. So you can still see some dirty spots here, but I'm probably going to let it dwell for another 2 to 3 minutes, so about 7 to 8 minutes total. Rinse it off, and then come back and show the results. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse an area on the bottom of the door. So as you can see, it does not negatively affect or remove the ceramic coating. And you can see here, not sure if it's coming through on the camera, but you can see that I would say maybe 75 to 85% of the dirt that was dried on the lower panel of the door is gone. Key note, you definitely want to read the instructions. Obviously you want to work on a cool surface in the shade, and the directions actually do tell you to foam from the bottom up and then rinse from the bottom up. So the first part of the video, when I started at the top of the truck going downward, would be incorrect per the instructions. So hopefully you stayed with the entire video. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead, rinse the truck, and then do the full bucket wash with the CarPro Reload. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.